So apparently, I'm the CEO of a huge scam, or so this article says. A review site had exposed one of my clients from Fiverr as little more than a piece of software that horribly underdelivered on promises of sky-high crypto investment returns. Well, Ophir told me this might happen. A while back, Ophir first contacted me through Fiverr.com, where I've been offering spokesperson services since mid-2015. We've developed a pleasant and productive relationship over that time. Well, a few months ago, he wants to talk on the phone. Okay. Well, he mentioned that during his research, he ran into this Codex site, recognized it for the scam it was, and saw me as its spokesperson. Long story short, a buyer on Fiverr.com sent me a script where I was to claim that I was a financial analyst with the Cryptocurrency Institute. I insisted that I would only introduce myself as a spokesperson without claiming that I had any position of authority. Any assertion that I claim to own, create, or control any part of the Codex software or the organization that produced it is just not true. You can check the video for yourself.
Hi there, my name is Nate Martin. I'm a spokesperson for the Cryptocurrency Institute.
Ophir could have chosen to dump me right then in order to protect his own brand, but instead, he asked me if I would consider refusing any other potentially questionable crypto opportunities and produce crypto content exclusively for 99Bitcoins. Well, I agreed. Since then, we've accomplished a lot. The 7-day video crash course that 99Bitcoins gives away for free, Bitcoin Whiteboard Tuesday episodes, and weekly news updates called This Week in Bitcoin. I'm proud of the work we do there, and the feedback we've received has been positive and encouraging. So if you've bumped into any of those review sites that say I claim to be the owner or creator of this Codex product, I'm not. In reading the script, I should have known that the claims were unrealistic, and it's a lapse in my judgment that I'm not proud of. Today, I am proud to say that I'm fully on board with 99Bitcoins. No more shady crypto products. And Ophir, thanks for keeping me on and letting me be part of a platform that provides content that I can be proud to share.